Hello and welcome to another video in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego. Hi, I'm Bud Klueck, founding and managing partner of Family Law San Diego. When I'm consulting with potential clients, I often hear the clients say, "We decided not to use attorneys, but to do mediation." Well, that assumes that you can't use attorneys and do mediation, which of course is not true. Of course, people often use attorneys during the mediation process. There are two ways that parties use attorneys during mediation. First is to have the attorneys sit next to each party and help them negotiate a settlement. And you can consult, and people do consult confidentially whenever that becomes useful. So the attorney serves as A, a spokesperson during the negotiation, and B, a confidential advisor at various points in the negotiation. The parties excuse themselves typically and go out in the hallway into another room and talk confidentially between attorney and client. The second way that attorneys assist in the mediation process is to be consulting attorneys outside the mediation room. They are not in the negotiation. However, they consult between sessions. And I've had parties excuse themselves in the middle of mediation session, go out in the hallway and use their cell phone to contact their attorney. If the parties reach an agreement, that agreement will be put before both consulting attorneys for their review and input. We at Family Law San Diego have been in all of these various roles involving mediation. We have served as the neutral mediator hundreds of times over many years. I have performed as a consulting attorney, consulting with parties in between sessions and sometimes during sessions through the telephone. And lastly, represented parties in the negotiation, in the mediation itself. So it is not a choice between mediation and using attorneys necessarily. It is a choice whether or not to use attorneys during the mediation or to just go forward with just the two parties and the neutral mediator involved in the process. So if you have any further questions about mediation or using attorneys during mediation, please contact us at Family Law San Diego. Our phone number is 619-448-6500. Repeated in a slightly different fashion, area code 619-448-6500. Or contact us through our website, www.familylawsandiego.com. That's www.familylawsandiego.com. No breaks, no dashes, no dots. Thank you very much for watching another in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego.